All right, so if you're waiting for your friend to come and you are waiting for that lucky day, that day will never come, right? All you need to do is to take the initiative yourself. You have to take the initiative because nobody is going to do that for you. If you want to learn English, then you have to take the first step, right? Nobody is going to take the first step for you. I always put emphasis on taking the first step because the first step is the most important step, right? We make a lot of plannings, but we never execute them, and that's why the end result is big zero, right? So if you want to speak fluent English, you have to speak average English. Now, fluent English is your target. Average English is what you can do. If you are excited about speaking in English, then you can speak better English one day. Every day is an opportunity, right? How you are looking at it, that's up to you, but every day is an opportunity. Today I'm here to just give you another reminder. That's my job, right? I give you the reminders from time to time because I know the list of your excuse is really long, right? So you will not practice English, but when you need English, then you will be very anxious. You will be thinking about a lot of stuffs, but they don't help you. They never help you. You have to utilize the time you have, right? All you have is the time. Right now, you can't speak fluent English, but you can speak average English and you can make it fluent by speaking average English every day. So, are you waiting for your friend to join you in a conversation? Trust me, it's never gonna happen. All you need to do is to just start yourself right now, right here. Nobody is going to help you in this. It is everybody's individual job. So you have to take your own responsibility. Today, I'm here to give you a topic because you often complain about not having enough topics, and that's why you're not able to practice English. And the topic I have for you is tolerance. Yes. Are you a tolerant person? Do you think you have tolerance? Can you tolerate things that beyond your patience? Can you tolerate things that are very irritating and very painful? That's your topic. Tolerance is a very important quality, human quality, which you need to work on every single day. If you are tolerant, if you have the ability to tolerate boredom, then you will be able to get a lot of success in life in whichever field you go, and you will be able to show your resilience in this, and you can become victorious. Are you tolerant? Ask yourself this question. Tolerance is very important. Tolerance is important because that shows the positive side of your character. If you are tolerant, then you can understand things in a deeper level. Because most people, when they get the failure in the first place, they give up on that. They don't even try further. Last time I was talking to one of my students, and he was talking about this thing that people often judge so quickly. They work for an organization for a year and they come to a conclusion that, okay, this organization didn't help me or isn't helping me, so I'm gonna quit. People do not have the ability to tolerate things that are hard, that are difficult. If you have tolerance to tolerate boring stuffs, hard stuffs, you will be victorious. But if you do not have tolerance, then you will be a complainer. Complaining is easy, right? You don't like something, you complain. You can't do something, you complain. Complaining is the sign of weak people. I hope you are not a weak person. If you are, then you are not going to get the most out of what you are doing right now. Complaining is easy. Taking responsibility is hard. If you have the ability to take responsibility and just get the best out of what you are doing, then you are called courageous. Ask better questions to yourself every day. You will get better answers. Take the first steps. Initially, it's hard, but as you go with it, so you realize you are enjoying the flow state. Right now, I'm talking to you because I know you are resilient. I know you are patient. I know you are tolerant. I know you have all the power. And no matter what, you will make an imperfect day perfect. Because you are smart, because you are dedicated, because you are disciplined. I request you to take the first step. And don't forget the topic I have given you today. Tolerance. Talk about it. Record a video. Share this video with your friends on social media platforms like Facebook, like YouTube. Let people know what your answer is. Let people know what you think about tolerance. If you don't get any idea, Google it. What tolerance is, the benefits of tolerance. Google this. You will get better answers. I'm your friend, so it's my responsibility to give you a reminder so that you can speak better English. And if you think that no, today I don't feel like speaking or practicing, I will nudge you and I will tell you, hey, it's your day and you have to make it great. After you have done with your practice today, get back to this video. Tell me how long you have practiced. And I know you're gonna definitely practice today. Can you do me a favor? Why don't you press the like button if you think this video is useful? Why don't you subscribe to this channel so that I get some encouragement? Until next time, you take care of yourself. Don't forget your topic. Tolerance.